Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to record on Google Meet. So let's get started. Log into your Google account and start or join a meeting by entering a meeting code or clicking on a scheduled meeting. Google Meet now offers a built-in recording feature for paid users. If you have a premium account, you can record meeting directly from Google Meet. Enter your meeting, then click on these three dots. A menu will appear. From here, click on recording. As you see, it's not available for me because I'm using pre-version. If you are using the pre-version of Google Meet, you can use third-party screen recording software. There are several pre-screen recording tools available, such as OBS Studio. Download and install your prepared screen recording software and start recording your meeting. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.